Hello everyone, Sid Miramontes here with Miramontes Capital. Over the last 20 plus years, I've retired over 1,000 individuals from many different walks of life, from CEOs of companies to teachers of different school districts and engineers and everybody in between. I found that over that period of time, initially when I started in the business, it was really two different pieces were what made up retirement planning. And those were financial planning, your debts, your expenses, your purchases coming up in the future, and investment strategy. How are we going to invest your capital? But as time has gone on, especially over the last 15 years, we've realized that it's much bigger than that. There's really 5 points that we need to follow when we're planning our retirement. And it's really financial planning, of course, investment planning, trust and estate planning, life insurance and long-term care planning, and tax planning. All 5 of those pieces, folks, now as the world has become more and more complicated, and there's many more pieces to concern ourselves with in life, we found that all 5 of those pieces are important. Investment strategy is important because, of course, we need to invest your capital properly to generate the income that you want to protect your capital. Financial planning is necessary because we need to make sure that we build in that lifestyle that you want to keep. We want to make sure that we have any assisted purchases that you're going to make in the future covered as well. Tax planning is important because, of course, we are concerned about taxes and how that affects our family members, how it's going to affect us, estates that we're maybe receiving. We want to make sure tax planning is going to be part of what we do every single way as we move forward. Life insurance and long-term care planning are important because we need to make sure that we protect our loved ones for those folks that we leave behind, and also too, long-term care planning is so that we protect our capital now so that it is not reduced by a major drag from some type of long-term care facility. And then finally, estate planning. We want to make sure that everything is covered and all pieces are covered in your estate. So those are the 5 pieces that must be considered now, folks, as we move forward. Obviously, we have all of those individuals that are part of our team that can help you as well. So if you need any one of those pieces, we have long-term care specialists that can answer your questions. We have tax specialists that can answer those questions. We have trust folks that we can answer those questions for you. And of course, in the investment planning and financial planning side, we're here for you as well. So with that or any other questions, folks, please make sure you consider those 5 points. Have a great one.